everyone, it's Stephanie from My Porch Prints. Welcome back to our channel. Today we have something really special for you. We are starting a new rewards program and it's called the Bluebird Club and it's free to join. You don't have to do anything special, but here's how it works. So we've got this little passport here and it has pages that you can fill up with passport stamps. And when you fill up a page, you get the item on that page. So let me read this to you really quickly here. So how it works is you assemble your passport booklet, and when you purchase a kit in our Etsy shop that has a reward stamp, you can cut out the stamp. I'll show you what those look like. They look kind of like this, little circle. You can cut out the stamp and you can paste it into the booklet. And when you've filled up a page, you'll receive the special freebie listed on that page. So if you buy some kits and you get your stamps and you fill up your page, like if you want to fill this page up, you would earn a freebie journal topper that we have for you. Or if you fill up this page, we've got some freebie ephemera for you. So it's kind of a cool, fun little way to just earn rewards when you purchase from our shop. And then to claim your freebie, you're going to message us on Etsy. So what you're going to do is take a photo of your completed page and you're going to write your name at the bottom. And then you're going to send us the photo on Etsy and we'll verify your purchases. And once we do that, we'll send you your freebie. So let's say you fill up this page with stamps, sign your name, take a picture of it and send it to us. And then once we verify your purchases, we'll send you some freebie fussy cuts. So it's just a fun way to kind of earn some rewards when you purchase from our shop. And then this is kind of a special page at the back. And these are the gilded stamps. So when you get your freebie, like let's say you fill up this page and you get your freebie journal topper, the journal topper will include a special gold gilded stamp. And you're going to cut that out and you're going to put that in the back of your book. And once you get all of these filled up, you'll earn a $10 coupon to spend in our shop. So $10 free to spend in our shop on whatever kits you want. So it works the same way. You fill it up, sign your name, send us a picture. So it's just a really cool, fun rewards program. And just so you know, the pages don't have to be filled in any particular order. However, you do have to fill an entire page before you redeem it for your freebie. And you can only print and use the passport stamps one time. So don't print, 2 or 3 of these and try to fill in a page. You can only print each stamp once. Each stamp is unique. And you can't duplicate the stamps and you can't share the stamps. So once you purchase an item on Etsy, cut out the stamp, stick it in your passport, and that's it. Don't share it, don't duplicate it, don't try to use it more than once. And then the passport rewards do expire on December 31st, 2027. So if you guys have questions, let me know in the comments below. But I think if you read this, it should make sense to you. Let's go ahead and get started putting this together. Oh, and before we do that, I do want to talk about one other thing, and that is this decoder. This is just a fun little thing that comes with your passport. And what it is just a fun little way to send messages. So we might include some cute, sweet, fun little messages in our videos. So just look for some Bluebird Club messages that will kind of like hide in the videos or that we will put in our Facebook group or whatever. So we'll put this together as well. But then we've got a little welcome here. You're officially a member of the Bluebird Club, and keep an eye on our videos and Facebook group for secret messages that you can decode. So before we put this together though, we'll go ahead and get working on our passport. Okay, so to begin with, I printed all of the pieces out on cardstock. And these are the cover pieces. We're going to set those aside for a minute, and then these fussy cuts as well. And we're going to focus on the pages. So to begin with, what we want to do is take our pages and just fold them in half. Just like this, white side out. And we're going to do that for all of the pages. Okay, and then once you have your pages folded in half, you can decide what order you want to put them in. I have a page here that I think of as like the first page or the cover page, whatever you want to call it. So that's going to be my first page. And then I kind of go from like the smallest amount of stamps to the largest. So this one requires 3 stamps. This freebie requires 4 stamps. So I'm just kind of like going in that order, kind of smallest amount of stamps to most amount of stamps. And then this is the gilded stamps page, so I'm putting that towards the end because it's kind of a special page. And then on the very last page, I'm putting the kind of instruction page. So that's the order I'm doing. You can do it however you want. And then what we're gonna do is we're just gonna glue one page to the next. So we're gonna glue these two together just like this. So I'm gonna put my glue just kind of along the edge here, as close as I can to the edge, and then fill it in here. And we're just gonna glue one page to the next. Just kind of like that. And then I'm going to set that aside to dry. And I'm going to do the same thing with the next two pages. So if you've ever assembled one of our no-sew journal kits, it's a lot like that. Just make sure your pages are right side up when you glue them. You don't want to glue one upside down by accident. Okay, and then once we have these glued, we're going to put them back in the order we want, and we're going to glue the next set together. So we're going to glue this set to this set, and so on and so on. Okay, and then we'll glue our final set together, and that'll be our pages. Okay, there we go. And now we're gonna go ahead and add our covers. Okay, so to begin with, we're gonna locate our spine piece, and this is just to wrap around the spine so these white parts aren't showing. And you don't have to use this piece if you wanted to. You could use, you know, a piece of fabric or lace or a different piece of paper, whatever you wanna do to cover this spine. It's basically just grab yourself a little strip and wrap it around. So that's what I'm doing with this one. I'm just kind of shaping it around the spine. And then we'll glue it in place. And if you need time for your glue to dry, you can always grab a couple of little clips. These are bulldog clips, and you can clip those in place. And if you're ever looking for the items that we're using in our videos, we have a link in the video description to our Amazon influencer shop. And it has a lot of the items that we use, the craft supplies that we use there. Okay, and then once this is dry, just again, make sure you've got it right side up. And we're gonna go ahead and grab our front cover, and we'll glue it to the front of our passport. And I like to align it with this edge right here. There we go. And we'll do the same thing with the back cover. And if you have a little bit of white edges showing, you could always hide that with a little bit of distress ink, or you could trim it up if you want to. I'm not going to worry about it right now. Okay, so then this is a little strap that's designed to hold this closed, and the way it attaches is with some Velcro pieces, so I'm gonna go grab those really quickly. Okay, so I just have a couple of Velcro dots here. What I'm gonna do is just glue this together so that it's got a front and a back side. And again, you can just trim off if there's some extra white, or use the distress ink to hide that. Okay, so we're gonna flip over to our back cover, and we're going to go ahead and just glue this on right here. And you can decide kind of where you want it. I'm putting it kind of by these buttons on the back cover. And I want to give myself a little extra room for it to wrap around because this is going to get a little bit chunky. It's going to get a little bit bigger. So we don't want to wrap it really tight. We want to wrap it kind of loose. Okay. So I'm not sure if these are going to fit on here. It looks like they might be just a little bit big. I'm going to go ahead and just cut some of the edge off this one, just so that it fits on there. And I'm going to put my white fuzzy piece right here. And then my clear piece I'm going to add to my front of my journal. And again, I'm going to give myself just a little bit of slack. I'm not going to pull it really tight. I'm going to let this be a little bit loose. And that's because it's going to grow and get a little bit bigger as we add things to the journal or to the passport. So I'll stick this on here. And then the sticky side sticks to the front of my passport. Okay, so our passport's coming together. And now we're going to add our pocket, and it just goes on the inside of this front cover piece. And we're going to just add some glue down the side and the bottom. I'm not going to glue over on this side, the short side, because I need to leave that open so that things can fit in the pocket. Okay, and next we're going to decorate our pages. This is completely optional. You don't have to do this if you don't want to, but it does come with some fussy cut images and they look kind of cute on the pages. And you can just glue them in if you want to, or if you want, you can use a little bit of mounting tape, or I call it puff tape sometimes, to kind of pop it off the page a little bit. Okay, so we're just about finished here. And you can see that we've got our pages decorated and we're ready to add our stamps. And this kit does include your first passport stamp, so you can cut this out and you can use it on any of the pages for whatever freebie that you're hoping to earn. Okay, and now we're going to go ahead and put together our decoder. And this is really simple. We're just going to go ahead and cut out both circles. Okay, and then these come with two little dots right here and right here. And we're just going to poke those out. I'm using an awl, but you can use, you know, a needle, like a needle and thread, or you can use some other sharp object if you have one. And then I've got a mini brad fastener. You can use a regular one if you have it, or you can use a mini one. I like the minis just because they take up less space when you put this in the journal. It won't be as bulky. So it goes through this hole and then through this hole. And then we're just gonna fasten it here on the back. Just like that. And now we've got this fun little decoder. And we'll be including messages in some of our future videos, so you guys can keep an eye out for those. Just fun little sweet messages, you know, just something fun for you to do, a little extra decoding. And every once in a while, we might include a freebie or a coupon in our secret message. But for the most part, this is just a fun way to engage with the videos and maybe get a fun little message for yourself. So in the example here, we've got our key is set to A2. So what we want to do is set our decoder to A2. So here's the letter A and the number 2. There we go. And then we can decode our message. So we have 9, 6, 13, 13, 16. And if you look on here, we've got 9 is H, 6 is E, L, L, and then 16 is O. So the message is hello. So that's how the decoder works. Keep an eye out on our videos and maybe sometimes in our Facebook group for Bluebird Club secret messages. And then I'm gonna go ahead and cut out this little card as well. And then we can open up our passport and these can go inside. All right, everyone, thank you so much for watching, and also thanks for being part of our Bluebird Club. We're really excited about the freebies and about the cool little stamps you can collect, and then also those fun little secret messages. So thanks again for joining us, and we'll see you guys next time. Bye!